ahora estamos aquí, seguimos aquí. Yo soy intocable.
Welcome back to my channel, you guys. So today I'm bringing to you this really dramatic cut crease. Is this a double cut crease or is this a single cut crease? I don't really know. I need my man to take me out for dinner, some fancy dinner, so I can be my face like this. Cause honey, boo boo, my face is beat for the gods. Like, are we living in the moment? I need a fancy dinner. All right. No, I'm just playing. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let's get into this video.
Ow, ow, ow. I buy a new car for the bitch. For real. I tear down the mall with the bitch. For real. You can't even talk to the bitch. Nah. She fucking with bosses and shit. Oh, God.
I'm going to use the Soft Glam palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills to do basically the whole look. So I'm taking this color Sienna right here, and I'm going to put that on my crease and a little bit above. And you can pretty much just start winging it out right away. Then I'm going to use this Sigma E40 brush. This is a tapered blending brush, and I'm using the shade Burnt Orange. And I'm going to use that just to, like, I don't know, blend out the crease color. So I don't have, you want soft edges. You don't want any harsh lines or anything. I'm going to take this Sigma E25 brush, and I'm going to use this shade right here. That is going to be the darkest shade on my crease. So it's going to be exactly where we cut the crease. I'm just going to look straight forward and place it right here. So now I know exactly what I want the intensity of the color to be. Take a little bit more and just start winging it out. The first brush that I used to blend it out, and just blend, blend, blend until you get like a soft, super soft transition, because that's all we want. To cut my crease, I'm going to use the same concealer that I used to set my eyelids, and I'm using this BH Cosmetics number 7 brush. This is from the Dot collection, if I'm not wrong. I like that it's angled because it has the perfect shape of my crease, if that makes sense. I have no idea if they are the same, but hopefully they are, you know? I'm gonna take this shade right here, and I'm gonna put that all over my lid. And if you feel somehow intimidated by this huge brush, you can use a smaller brush. Start a little bit with the glitter liner. But basically what I'm doing is I'm taking the Ingla Duraline. This is like a oil, I don't even know. So I'm taking a little bit, I'm taking literally just like a drop on the back of my hand. And then I'm taking this glitter palette, and I'm taking this shade right here. You can take whichever color you want, but this is the color that I am doing. And I'm taking a little pencil brush that looks like this. This is the BH Cosmetics 106 brush. And I'm taking the brush and I'm dipping it like into this. This is basically just gonna act like a glue, because it's gonna make the glitter stick to the pencil and then stick on my lid. I don't think it's meant for that. I don't even know what it's, I don't know, like that's just one of the products that, you know, when you just have a product but you don't really know what it's for, but you just have it there and you never use it. Yeah, that's kind of that product in my collection. I'm just taking the glitter and I'm tapping it on and then I'm dragging it. So basically, pack the product on and then you can drag it a little bit. This brush has a little bit of the dark shade, the darkest brown shade that I used. I'm just gonna push it down from the top. I'm just gonna kind of just perfect the liner a little bit. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. So I just went ahead and finished off my eyes. What I did, I just did a black winged liner and I put on some lashes. So I just moved on to my face and I finished off my face. I put foundation, concealer, and now I'm just baking. And I don't want to bake underneath my eyes, but I need something to catch the fallout because I'm going to do bottom lash line eyeshadow. I'm using the brush that comes with it. I'm taking this flat side, the smaller side of the brush, and then actually no, let me put gel liner on first. Now it's the Sigma Longwear eyeliner pencil. I'm just gonna put that on my waterline. I don't want to smoke out the black eyeshadow so much because I'm putting another color to smoke it out, to like give it that gradient effect. So I want to keep the black eyeshadow pretty close to my waterline, but I'm going to take the color Sienna, which this color right here, which is the first one that I used on my lid, and I'm going to take a fluffier brush and I'm going to use that and just smoke out the black one. To be just black. I want it to kind of resemble the top part of the eye. Then I'm just going to take a fluffy powder brush. I'm just going to dust off all the excess. Is this, oh my god, is this ripping? I didn't know. That's sad. I'm just going to take my Inglot contour palette. I'm taking this Sigma Extreme Structure Contour Brush. You know? Yeah. I like this. I like this brush for contour. Take this Bdellium Tools and 990 brush. It's a fluffy angled brush. I'm just going to take this to bronze my face with the same powder. Because, you know, your girl wants to be chiseled but bronzed, so. We want it all at the same time, honey. Just a smaller brush. So I'm taking my favorite blush at the moment. This is the one from Sigma. This is the Nightlife blush in Hot Spot. I'm taking this BH Cosmetics from the Illuminate collection number 3. Like that. The Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amazing collection. I would take my Inglot highlighter, but that is more golden, and I don't feel like a golden highlighter is what I need with this look, you know, because of the silver going on the eyes and all of that. I don't feel like that's the way to go. using the Kylie Jenner True Brown K liner. Alright, so now that I line my lips, I'm going to take Naturally Transformed from MAC, and I'm going to fill in my lips with that. This is the final look. I hope you guys like this. It's a little dramatic. There's a lot going on, you know. Don't forget to like this video, share with friends and family, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any more videos from me. See you guys in the next upload. Bye.
Brindemos por todo el dinero que hacemos.